I heard you want to be a ghost. I'm just kidding, don't mind me. I heard you want to be a ghostwriter and you don't know where to start from. Watch this video and I'll show you what to do. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is me again, Workwithcontentqueen Content Queen. Today's video is on business and freelance writing tips. Like normally I bring you how-to tutorials, but I've decided that let's switch things up a bit, right? So everybody, or probably maybe not everybody, but you must have heard about ghostwriting and you've heard that there's money in ghostwriting. Like it's very lucrative, and that's not a lie, but I want to tell you what you need to do if you've decided that okay, I want to be a ghostwriter, I want to go into ghostwriting. So ghostwriting is the process whereby somebody writes for another person and does not take credit for the work. So if I'm a ghostwriter, which I am, I write for my clients, maybe books, blog posts, website content or whatever, and then I just give them the work and they take credit for it. Nobody even knows I'm the one who wrote that work. But what if you are a newbie ghostwriter, you want to go into ghostwriting? What are the things you need to do? So in this video, I'll be showing you 5 tips every newbie ghostwriter should have before venturing out as a ghostwriter. Number 1, personal branding. What is personal branding? Personal branding is the way you, so to speak, package yourself, is where you put yourself in the best positive light. Alright? Personal branding involves you having a clear headshot, clear picture, professional looking picture, not anyhow picture. Your name should be professionally written. If you want to be on social media, your name across all your social media platforms should be the same, or at least have one name in common. Alright? You should also have a well described bio. Your bio should say what you do and how you do what you do. Okay, and that's just about it for personal branding. Then you should also put out content that establishes you as someone who knows what they are doing in ghostwriting field. That is personal branding. Second, if you want to start as a newbie ghostwriter, you must have a contract. Just go online, Google ghostwriting contract. You will see a lot of templates, lots of samples. Just pick the one that you think is suitable for you, edit it, make it to suit your business, the way you want to run your business, and that's it. Number 3, you must have a portfolio, have samples of work. You should be able to niche down and know the area you want to specialize in as a ghostwriter. I find that it is always helpful and better when you are specialized. Don't say, oh, I'm a ghostwriter, I write everything.
Will you keep quiet?
No, it does not favor you that way, especially if you are looking to get international clients, like people outside your country, people who will pay you in dollars or pounds, people who will pay you very well. If you want to attract those kinds of clients, you need to be specific with the kind of ghostwriting you do. You might decide to write on only relationships, or you might decide to write on finance or marketing or just for teenagers. Just be specific and have lots of work samples. Don't carry another client's work and show a sample. It is not allowed in ghostwriting. Have samples of your work, different samples of your work in the portfolio, preferably an online portfolio that is easy to access. If you have a website, beautiful, you can use the blog part of your website as a portfolio, or better still, you just create a menu bar that says portfolio, and then they can read through your whole work. Number 3, you should know how to market your business, know how to put yourself out there. There are so many groups on social media where other ghostwriters are, or where people who need ghostwriters are. Join those groups, okay? Join those groups, put content out there, helpful content, talk about what you do. Blatantly come out sometimes if the group allows it to advertise yourself as a ghostwriter, and who knows, a few people might contact you. Finally, have a universal payment method. Now this goes to my fellow Nigerians. Don't say because you're in Nigeria, like you now restrict yourself and you don't look for ways to get money, you get to get your payment. Look for ways. There's PayPal, even though we know that PayPal has issues in Nigerians, but there are ways people create PayPal accounts. But let's even say you don't want to use PayPal because PayPal can go crazy one day, block your account, and your funds they are gone. So you can decide to use platforms like Sendwave. Sendwave is free and easy to use. If anyone is in the UK, if anyone is in the US or Canada and other countries, I think UK also, you can use Sendwave. You can also use Western Union, or you can open a Payoneer account. It is very easy. Don't limit yourself. Don't say, oh, there is no way I can receive money as a Nigerian. There are ways, because I'm a ghostwriter and I collect money from my clients all over the world. I've worked with a South African client, I've worked with someone in the UK, I've worked with people in the US, and I've been collecting my payment. Nothing has stopped me. So find ways to collect your payment. I hope these 5 tips are helpful to you if you want to start a ghostwriting business. If you need more content, more elaborate content on how to start as a ghostwriter and tips to use and help you as a ghostwriter, check my blog from my website www.estaenewerome.com www.estaenewerome.com. There is a blog there, and it has so many amazing articles that will teach you how to be an effective ghostwriter. And if you're looking for a ghostwriter, you want to know who a ghostwriter is, you want to know what they do in depth, the questions to ask before hiring a ghostwriter, head over to my blog and you will see lots of helpful information. If you have a book or blog post, website content you want to write, and you're looking for the perfect ghostwriter for your work, you can hit me up at workwithcontentqueen@gmail.com. Until I come your way next time, bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to